Sawadika, hi everyone. Let's make honey glazed pork ribs. Sweet, savory, delicious ribs that's easy to make and doesn't require an oven. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Let's take a look at half of the ingredients. We have pork ribs here. Make sure you clean this well. Plain water, sugar, honey, soy sauce and cooking oil. We will be pounding the rest of the ingredients and they are black peppercorn, garlic, salt and coriander roots. You can either use a pestle and mortar or a regular blender. It should look something like this, still coarse and not too fine. We are going to use this to marinate our pork ribs. Give this a good mix and make sure you marinate this for at least half an hour. You can marinate this for up to 24 hours. Cover this and keep it in the fridge. When you're done with marination, take them out from the fridge and let them rest for a few minutes before you start cooking. Then we put in our cooking oil. We are searing this on high heat. After they turn into a nice color, we are then going to add the water and cover this with a lid. Cover this and let this cook on a medium heat. You need to constantly check the water level, just make sure it's not too little. You're just gonna let this cook until the pork is done. It's been 40 minutes and this is what it's looking like. If you like more leftover sauce, then you should add more water in the beginning. I'm going to drizzle this with honey, about 1 tablespoon. Let's plate this up. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.